Hi everyone, welcome back. As usual, I'm still behind with stuff, but we're getting there, So this is the January 24, finally in the new year, Glimmer and Cut club that I get each month. It is the old way of doing it, so they do have a new, Spellbinders do have a new way that they've rejigged the all the clubs and that. Still really good value, so you know, go and check them out, but this is what I'm on. So the hot foil that we got is called copper, so it's this beautiful coppery, almost a brown tone to it, foil, so that'll be fun to use. And then while we're talking about the glimmer is called Card Front Floral. I said that right, I think. And it's massive, like, here's my hand. I mean, my hands are not huge, but it's a huge die. So there's no dies, like coordinating dies, but this is a massive floral. I don't know which floral it is. Don't quote me on that. I have no idea, but it's huge, and it will take up the front of a card, which is, I guess, why they named it that. And then 2 sentiments that you can hot foil, let's say, for you and thanks. So we often need thank you cards, I think. I'm just really bad at getting them out the door. So this is the floral that it creates, which is a stunning, massive, this is an A2 card example, and it's huge. So it fits right across there, and then they've put a separate little sentiment there. But again, you could, well, not again, I haven't said anything. You can easily excuse me, color that in, or there are, as an add-on, there is the stencils that will coordinate with it, so you could use your inks to stencil the color right into it. So it's that's an additional thing you'd have to buy. Then for the excuse me, small die of the month, is called Sitting Pretty. Oh, sorry. And this is not how you get them, by the way. This is how I package all my dies. So I have done videos on that, but if you need to know more about that, I'll let you know. And this one basically has a whole load of florally things, and then these cute little birds. And yes, it's like the top half of the bird. But the idea is that they sit within this big floral design, which I will show you here. So this is the idea of having them sat in one of the flowers, and then creating the rest of the floral arrangement around it. But how cute is that? I think they make a really sweet little anniversary card or something like that, you know, for couples. And then this is massive. This is the large die of the month for January 24, and it's called Honeybee Jar, and it's kind of aptly named. There is in fact a very big jar and a honeybee, but the idea is that you could use this as a whole card front. It's massive. You could use this as the card on its own. You can make a shaped card, and then it's got all the sort of details, like the little bit of string that you could have around the top of the jar. It's got the little what do you call that, kind of like the little fabric piece you would put over like a jam jar or a honey jar or something like that, with the string. Here's the rest of the sort of string that you might wrap around it, and then lots of florals and things to go in there, as well as the honeybee itself. But you could do anything with this. This could be, you could make this into a fish tank. Well, not a fish tank, a fish bowl, you know, just for something different. And in the bottom bit where there would be the water, you would then have your little fish and your little, you could use one of the past kits with the whale and add like little things. I think it was a message in a bottle, so you could have a different kind of bottle, just saying. Or you could do like a little fairy village inside here with some of your stamped images. The little, when you've got, some of the stamp companies make these little images, so you could probably do something in there, just saying. But anyway, so the idea with this one is that, oh, here you go. And this is the idea behind it. You've also got a little tag that says Hi Bee. And there's the idea is the honey with all the flowers in the jar, and then the little honeybee. But he's cute. And then there's your string in that. So massive set. The large die of the months are usually really big, so there's usually a lot going on. But that's what makes them really cool. But even the small die of the month, there's still a lot in there if you just choose one or the other rather than both. And obviously the Glimmer, I love the Glimmer stuff. So yeah, so I will be back with some videos on stuff we can do with this and some ideas. Hopefully sooner rather than later, but like I say, I'm still catching up. Excuse me, with myself. So yeah, stay tuned, and if you have this kit, hopefully I can inspire you with something. So till next time guys, bye for now.